George Pratt Schultz was an American economist, diplomat, and businessman. He served in various positions under 3 different Republican presidents and is one of only 2 people to have held 4 different cabinet-level posts. Schultz played a major role in shaping the foreign policy of the Ronald Reagan administration. From 1974 to 1982, he was an executive of the Bechtel Group, an engineering and services company. In the 2010s, Schultz was a prominent figure in the scandal of the biotech firm Theranos, continuing to support it as a board member in the face of mounting evidence of fraud. Born in New York City, he graduated from Princeton University before serving in the United States Marine Corps during World War II. After the war, Schultz earned a PhD in industrial economics from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. He taught at MIT from 1948 to 1957, taking a leave of absence in 1955 to take a position on President Dwight D. Eisenhower's Council of Economic Advisors. After serving as Dean of the University of Chicago Graduate School of Business, he accepted President Richard Nixon's appointment as United States Secretary of Labor. In that position, he imposed the Philadelphia Plan on construction contractors who refused to accept black members, marking the first use of racial quotas by the federal government. In 1970, he became the first director of the Office of Management and Budget, and he served in that position until his appointment as United States Secretary of the Treasury in 1972. In that role, Schultz supported the Nixon shock and presided over the end of the Bretton Woods system. Schultz left the Nixon administration in 1974 to become an executive at Bechtel. After becoming president and director of that company, he accepted President Ronald Reagan's offer to serve as United States Secretary of State. He held that office from 1982 to 1989. Schultz pushed for Reagan to establish relations with Soviet leader Mikhail Gorbachev, which led to a thaw between the United States and the Soviet Union. He opposed the U.S. aid to rebels trying to overthrow the Sandinistas using funds from an illegal sale of weapons to Iran that led to the Iran-Contra affair. Schultz retired from public office in 1989 but remained active in business and politics. He served as an informal advisor to George W. Bush and helped formulate the Bush Doctrine of Preemptive War. He served on the Global Commission on Drug Policy, California Governor Arnold Schwarzenegger's Economic Recovery Council, and on the boards of Bechtel and the Charles Schwab Corporation. Beginning in 2013, Schultz advocated for a revenue-neutral carbon tax as the most economically sound means of mitigating anthropogenic climate change. He was a member of the Hoover Institution, the Institute for International Economics, the Washington Institute for Near East Policy, and other groups. He was also a prominent and hands-on board member of the fraudulent company Theranos, which defrauded more than $700 million from its investors before it collapsed. Schultz was born December 13, 1920, in New York City, the only child of Margaret Lennox and Burl Earl Schultz. He grew up in Englewood, New Jersey. His great-grandfather was an immigrant from Germany who arrived in the United States in the middle of the 19th century. Contrary to common assumption, Schultz was not a member of the Pratt family associated with John D. Rockefeller and the Standard Oil Trust. After attending the local public school, he transferred to the Englewood School for Boys through his second year of high school. In 1938, Schultz graduated from the private preparatory boarding high school Loomis Jaffe School in Windsor, Connecticut. He earned a bachelor's degree, cum laude, at Princeton University, New Jersey, in economics with a minor in public and international affairs. His senior thesis, The Agricultural Program of the Tennessee Valley Authority, examined the Tennessee Valley Authority's effect on local agriculture, for which he conducted on-site research. He graduated with honors in 1942. From 1942 to 1945, Schultz was on active duty in the U.S. Marine Corps. He was an artillery officer, attaining the rank of captain. He was detached to the U.S. Army 81st Infantry Division during the Battle of Angao. In 1949, Schultz earned a PhD in industrial economics from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. From 1948 to 1957, he taught in the MIT Department of Economics and the MIT Sloan School of Management, with a leave of absence in 1955 to serve on President Dwight Eisenhower's Council of Economic Advisers as a senior staff economist in 1957. Schultz left MIT and joined the University of Chicago Graduate School of Business as a professor of industrial relations, and he served as the Graduate School of Business dean from 1962 to 1968. During his time in Chicago, he was influenced by Nobel laureates Milton Friedman and George Stigler, who reinforced Schultz's view of the importance of a